Hello and welcome to the AQA GCSE sample paper for the non-calculator page. Here we're picking up in question 13. And it says here are sketches of 4 triangles. They're not drawn accurately. So we have a right angle triangle, we have 2 right angle triangles and 2 obtuse angled scaly triangles. Okay. It seems like the hypotenuse on all of them is 1 centimetre and the angle is 50 degrees on all of them. One of the other lengths is mentioned. In each triangle, the longest side is exactly 1 centimetre. The other length is given to 2 decimal places. We're asked to circle the value of cos 50 degrees to 2 decimal places. Alright, so if we remember our SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is the opposite, this is the hypotenuse. So the sine of 50 degrees is 0.77 divided by 1, which is 0.77. But we're looking for the cosine. So we're looking for a right angle triangle where we have the adjacent side. And here it is. So the cosine of 50 degrees is 0.64 over 1, which is 0.64 centimetres. So we want to circle the 0.64. And that's for 1 mark. And if we move down to part B, work out the value for x. We've got another right angle triangle here. Oh, by the way, we have to go by the right angle triangle because your SOHCAHTOA is for right angle triangles. It's not necessarily true if they're not right angle triangles. Okay, so work out the value of x, give your answer to 1 decimal place. So we want to know this adjacent side here. Coincidentally, this is also 50 degrees and this is the adjacent side. So this length x from our SOHCAHTOA is 4 times the cosine of 50 degrees. But we already know the cosine of 50 degrees, so we don't need a scientific calculator. It's 0.64. So our answer is 4 times 0.64. Okay, and that's not obvious, but what is obvious is 64 times 2 is 128, and 128 times 2 is 256, which I know from my computer science. So that's 4 times 0.64 then must be 2.56. The other way to do it is to try and multiply it out longhand, or just do 2 times 0.6 plus 2 times 0.04 and add them together. That's another way to do it. And then repeat the process to get the 2.56. But the question asks us to give your answer to 1 decimal place. So to 1 decimal place, that's 2.6 centimetres. Okay, hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next question.